everyone, my name is Taylor L. Rose. You guys are new here. You guys have not subscribed, please subscribe and join the family. So all my new subscribers, hi, thank you so much for subscribing. It means so much to me. Thank you guys so much. So today, guys, I'm filming a get ready video with me today, and I'm so excited about it. You guys know I love filming get ready with me. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you guys me doing my hair, then my makeup, and then my outfit. Me and my girlfriends are going out tonight for girls' night out, have some drinks. So I'm really excited about that. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I did put a little snip of my breakfast, what I had this morning, just to make the video a little bit different. Hopefully you guys enjoy that. So let's get on with the video. I love you guys. So guys, I'm all done with my makeup. As you guys can see, I love it so much. I think it turned out so cute, so amazing. I'm obsessed with this. I feel like it's not too much and it's not too much like in your face. It's just like very soft. And I love this lipstick that I have on. If you guys are wondering, it's by Mary Kay. It's called Naturally Buff, and this color is amazing. I love this color so much. It's like a pretty soft nude color. I am obsessed with this color. It's so pretty and so cute. It's like a pinkish nude. I just love it so much. Everybody asks me when I go out, everybody wants to know, what lipstick are you wearing? And that is amazing. So now I'm about to start curling my hair. A couple pieces have failed, so I'm going to use my wand to get my curls back. So how you guys been doing? Let me know down below in the comment section what you guys been up to, how you guys have been. I have been good. I took a week off just to kind of, just to take a break, because I feel like, you know, when you be a new YouTuber, sometimes, you know, it can get overwhelming sometimes, because you're just like, you know, what do I film? What will people like? But I was just like, you know, I'm gonna stop being hard on myself and just film things that I enjoy doing, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it as well. But I really enjoy, like, you know, get ready videos, clothing haul videos. I do want to get into vlogging. I really do. I just need to just, you know, do it. I feel like I don't really do anything for me to be vlogging. I kind of do a couple things, but since, you know, Houston is getting back, you know, everything is kind of like, you know, settling down ever since, you know, things are getting back worse. So I don't know, I might take you guys with me. And I love Home Goods. I'm always in Home Goods, always in Ross. So I'll take you guys with me when I do Home Goods, Ross. Maybe when I do, like, you know, grocery haul. Maybe I should start doing like grocery haul videos, things like that. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna start doing something, because I do want you guys to kind of see what I'm doing on my daily basis. So yeah, I'm definitely going to start doing that. But anyways, finished my hair. I like it. I got this curly one from Amazon. Yeah, I got it from Amazon on Amazon Prime Week. So I don't know if they still have this or if it's the same price, but I got a really, really good deal on this. Really good deal. I think I only paid like maybe $10 for this. It came in like a 5-piece set. So this is like the smallest detachable head that comes on it, but it's so nice. It goes up to 2 settings. Hopefully you guys can see that. It goes up to 2 settings. It's really good. I like the fact that it kind of has like a little rose gold. I'm obsessed with that. I love it. So now I'm about to get ready. I'll probably just wear some jeans and probably that pretty brown top that I have not worn yet. In my fine curves video, I have not worn that brown top and I'm obsessed with that top. So I'm probably going to wear that with my Forever 20, not Forever 21, my fashion over jeans with some heels. But I'm going to kind of like, you know, I'm going to figure it out. And then once I figure it out, I'm going to come back and show you guys the outfit once I come back. So, but I'm obsessed with this hair. I like big hair. I feel like big hair is just, I don't know, I just really, really love it. So let's get on to the outfit. That is the end of today's video, guys. I'm really, really loving my makeup, my hair, the outfit. We're going to like a little hookah slash like a hookah lounge where they sell like food, drinks, hookah. So this is like the perfect type of like chill outfit with the top, with jeans and heels. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one, guys. Love you guys. Bye.